this together and see what it looks like. Hello all. So as you know, I have this little kit that I carry with me, burner and a couple of pots. You know, the bottom one goes on to form a lid. But I saw a deal recently online from Kmart here in Australia for a kind of a clone of a Jetboil. So I want to have a look at that. So I'm going to do a bit of a unboxing for you here now. It just arrived earlier today. So we're going to have a look at this together and see what it looks like. So there it is, they call it the Campmaster Hiking Stove UltraJet. So it looks like it's doesn't include the canister. Mine is 230 gram and it says it's for a 230 gram. It's because the lid, cup, the burner unit and the jug itself. So let's have a look. Let's see here, maybe open it a bit. There we go. It's a tight fit. You can feel that the outside has like a neoprene cover. Similar handle to these ones, about the same diameter actually. It's got the lid that clips on quite nicely. Looks like it's a thermo kind of plastic that won't warp from the heat. It's got a nice big cup on the inside. And this is the burner unit by the looks. Yep. It's got a sparker. So I won't need a match to light it. Little burner here. So anyway, let me connect it up to my little gas stove here and see if we can get it going. Fits the same screw. Quite tight. Yep, I can hear it. Let me see if it starts. Nice strong flame. Cool. So this is the jug. You can see it's got gills around it to help move the heat in pretty quickly. I wonder why it has this. There's probably a reason why it has this sleeve on the side of the neoprene top. I'll have to look at the instructions, but anyway, it looks like it clips in and locks that way. So I think I may as well fill it with some water and see how long it takes to burn. So I just collected some water. It's a container full, which is about 3 cups. But the inside says half a litre. A litre is about up to there, so let's see. Yeah, that's close to a litre. So I'll just turn it on. And we'll see how long it takes. So it was basically a bit under 3 minutes, maybe 2 minutes 30-40 seconds perhaps, to boil nearly a litre of water. It's pretty impressive. The normal kind of burner would have taken more like 5 minutes, so that's pretty good. So the good part about buying this was the price. I saw this online deal, and it was also in the I think the Australia hiking and camping group on Facebook, and it was I think $45 Australian. If I'm wrong, I'll put the number at the bottom of the screen here, but that's still a bargain compared to the price of the original Jetboils. So this will definitely find a place in my kit, and I look forward to using it out in the bush. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.